Alright folks, this is a video on horizontal scrolling in MobileSheets. As you can see, you can slide it along here, you can expand it out, make it smaller, everything adjusts accordingly. You can go on automatic and it'll roll along at the speed you select. Start and stop. When you're done, you can stop it here. You can do this. It's a 3-finger move on a 14-inch touchscreen laptop. This is a Windows utility program that you get for free. Just switch it back over. Go back to MobileSheets, and here's your item here. In terms of settings, we are on fit width, vertical scrolling, allow zoom past 100%, and our page alignment is in the center. How we do this is in the files, we create a page for every line. And then we crop every page. It only takes a minute. It's very fast to do. And when that's done, there we have it. Here's the same page here without the cropping, and rotate it the other way. So here, we'll do one here now. Take this one here, and we should be able to edit it, and we'll go to Files, and we know we need 6 pages, and now we're going to rotate them all at the same time. Then we're going to crop them. One step I didn't do here was the auto crop before doing this. So we have a little white space at the ends there. You can see we missed a line there. We've got to move it back over here. There you have it. This is now ready to go. Click OK. Shrink that down to size. Switch her over to the left side. 3-finger salute. And we'll give her what we just created is ready to go here. We don't have any time set, so it won't scroll automatically. We can do that now. And there you have it. That's the one we just made here. As you can see, I just did it quick, didn't get fancy, but you can scroll along like this. Great for metronome practice. Very good for doing timing without having the metronome clicking away. So that's about it for horizontal scrolling in MobileSheets. Okay, this video is about horizontal scrolling on a smartphone. And as you can see, the MobileSheets works very good on a smartphone. The setting is smooth. You can scroll along. You can see the whole sheet music. You can resize smaller. You can zoom in further than your sheet. The method of doing this is detailed in the other part of this video. Enjoy.